Hello, Joel Torreson here from Brand Upstart. Today I've got 5 tips for Mac users, some hidden features you probably didn't know about. Let's get to it. Okay, welcome to my computer. First one I'm going to show you is screen zoom. What I mean by that is wherever the mouse is, there's a shortcut here I'll show you. You can zoom in really close to something on your screen. Maybe you're giving a presentation or highlighting something on your screen you want someone from far away to see. How we get there is System Preferences, and we go to Accessibility here, and then under this category here, Zoom, you can see the shortcuts. Use keyboard shortcuts to zoom if it's not ticked. Tick it, and here are the shortcuts. I like this one. You can really see details, especially if you're building things online like I am. You can see the exact pixel. It's a nice feature. I like to use it. Next one that's fun, inverting the colors on your screen. So if you've spent a lot of time working on a spreadsheet or a Word document and your eyes are getting burned out by the white screen, Preferences, again, accessibility, and we're going to display. Now there's a few options here, but the one we want to show, invert color. So you can see by clicking that, it takes everything, your whole computer, and inverts the colors. Doesn't matter what app it is, it's going to invert all your stuff. It makes it look pretty cool. All the colors kind of change to white. Now let's say you're really hungover and the bright light is hurting your eyes. Great feature to give your eyes a little bit of a break. The next one, you can make your Mac read text to you. Okay, so on any app, there's a feature where you can have the text read. And I'll show you how to do that. So let's open a document. Here I've got this PDF. So you select some text and it'll read whatever you select. Edit, speech, start speaking.
What's in this guide? There has never been a better time to start an online store. E-commerce is at a point to
stop it. This works across all Mac programs. So you go to a website, select some text, edit, speech, start speaking.
Today I'm going to show you how to make a gold foil texture in Photoshop. It's really easy.
If you're sick of reading stuff all day, or someone says, proofread my document or something, and you want to do the dishes instead or do a workout, open the document, select your text, and the Mac will read it to you. Any document, open in a Mac program, it can be read to you. Easy. I like this feature. Okay, you probably didn't know this, but your Mac can view image size, resize, and crop images. Your Mac can do it itself. So I'm going to open this PNG file here with preview. And now, if I want to see how big this is, as a designer, I get that a lot. How many pixels is my image here? Opening it in preview and then going to Tools. I go to Show Inspector, and it'll come up the information on my image. It doesn't matter if it's a photo or a logo file like this. It's going to tell you pixels. You've got all kinds of information. The biggest one, image size. Right here, you can see exactly how big it is. If anyone asks, is this big enough for web use or can I print with this? And they say the image has to be over 1,000 pixels. I can see this one doesn't work. Now, this also can resize something. If I just want to resize this now to maybe upload it to my Facebook profile page or something like that, I go to Tools again and adjust size. Then you can see the pixels matches here what it said in the inspector, but I need to make it smaller. Let's say 100 pixels. I type in 100 and hit OK. Now, look at that. It's scaled it down to only 100 pixels wide, and then I can upload it to whatever format I need it to suit. Now, there's another option it can do, and that's crop. So it can crop down to a different dimension. So in order to crop, I first make a selection of it. So I'm clicking and dragging. You can see next to my cursor there's a pixel size shown there, but we're not focused too much on that. I need to make this horizontal layout. So that's good. I'll just make it the full width. And I want just the text, narrowly done. Set it right there. Now I go to Tools and Crop, or Command K, and it crops my logo image to that size I had selected. Very handy to do if you want to crop in on an image you have or send it to someone for use and it's too far away, there's too much background. Zoom in by cropping it down, and then you save this. Now when I view it, the spacebar, you can see it's a different size. Handy to do. Your Mac can edit and crop images. You don't have to go online and do it or download anything new. It's here. And the last one. I want to open a certain type of file with a certain application every time. So what you do that with, I'm going to show you with this PDF file. So I have this PDF, and every time I open PDFs, it opens it in Adobe Reader, but I don't want that. I want it to open in a different program, which is Preview. So I select the file type, and this can be any file type. It can be PNG or PDF. I select this PDF, so then I go to File, Get Info, or Command I. Now it's going to open a little window here, and now down here there's an option, Open with Adobe Reader. I don't want that. I select this and I do Preview down here. So that's what I want every PDF on my computer to open with. But that's not it. I have to click this button, Change All. So we change every document with the extension PDF to open in Preview. That's what this is saying. I hit Continue, and then it's set. So now every PDF across my whole computer, when I double click it, it will open with Preview. So I double click my PDF, and here it is. My PDF opens in Preview, ready to go. And those are your 5 tips. I hope this was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. If you want more tips, I've got another video of 6 more. Have a look at that. Otherwise, we will see you in the next video. See ya.